What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Oh man, got an unboxing video. Rating few pecans. I've been rating on this for about like a week or a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is the what's this called? The Stream Deck. I wanted a Stream Deck and finally got it in the mail. And we'll open it from this side because the other side got my address. So let's do this. Top down view. Top down view. Alright, so where's my fucking got my box cutter? So I got my scissors here. We're gonna fucking do this shit. There you go. There you go. Hold on. There it is. Alright. You got this. What the fuck? Oh, hold on. Never mind. I think it's my. Hold on. I don't think this is my Stream Deck. This is. Oh, I know what this is. This is my webcam. This is my webcam, people. I guess my Stream Deck comes probably tomorrow, I think. But this is my webcam. I got the Logitech Brio 4K. I don't know, because I bought both of them. But this is. Hold on. Where's my fucking... Can't find my box cutter, so I got a flathead screwdriver. So we're going to pierce the sides. Pierce the tape. Got this. Okay, got that side. Yeah, got it here. Oh, man. Okay. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. And then you have it. Open the flap. That is the Logitech, the Logitech Brio camera. Oh man, this is a step. It's an upgrade from the C190. I think this it is. That was capturing me right now. All right. And you have right here this little camera right here. I'm gonna put some light on so you can see it. If I hit it. This is the camera right here, the Logitech 4K. You know, that's the USB 3 adapter connection port right there. You know, it's the stand that it can hang up. And then inside the box, you got some goodies in here. Why it's stuck? Why it's stuck in here? I don't know. Here it is. So, in the sleeve here, some instructions. Where my trash at? Hold on. Let's break down the box. I don't need the box anymore. Break down that box. And then the trash can. Alright. So, we got a couple goodies. It's like I think it's like a stand attachment. We have, what's this? A bag to hold in the camera if I'm traveling. Then you have USB-C cable. I actually need that. So that's all right. I didn't know I was gonna get this first. I thought I was gonna get my Stream Deck because I ordered the Stream Deck because I always wanted one. That's the instructions. All right, Velcro. Keep the. Oh, that's nice. I like because usually you get like I don't know, not zip ties, but some kind of tie mechanism. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna set this. Oh, what's this in this box here? Oh, warranties and shit. Anyway, put that in garbage. Cardboard. We got cellophane. Take the cellophane off. You always want to take the cellophane off. I don't like plastic. Then you got this. The bases seem to be wrapped. So you got here it is. I see it. I see it. It's right there. You know, while I was ordering this on Amazon, the company that was selling this only had 9 cameras left. 9 cameras. What are you going? The fuck is this? Well, I'm gonna have it like on top of my computer monitor anyway. So what's that? Some more plastic? What is that? I think it is. I think it's more. I don't know. It's not hurting me. Yep, it is plastic. It's some cellophane on the bezel. Anyway, we're gonna hook this thing up and then shit. Okay. Okay, now this is the Logitech Brio camera, and I feel that this camera, damn, is I can't hide nothing when I use this camera because it's much wider. Um, the lighting, I'm using natural light for my window and also my circle light in front of me. Is actually a little bit brighter. Well, I can't hide nothing in the background. Shit. Anyway, wow. I went on the website of this camera and I give you the additional features that it has. Adjustable field of view. As you can see, the field of view is much wider. Choose from three field of view settings to perfectly frame your video for ideal head and shoulder shot. Pick 65 degrees diagonal. Oh man! So for larger groups, or capture more of the room. All right, that's okay. Adjustable field of view, 4K recording, smooth streaming. It retains a high frame rate, whatever the lighting to match your gaming broadcast with no lag. Streaming full 1080p HD at 60 frames per second, or a smooth fluid video that keeps up with your every move. Certified for business like conference calls and stuff like that. That's not applicable. Mounting and privacy options, 5 times HD zoom and camera settings, whatever. I need to find here it is. Support? What's this? Download the setup guide. Register. Okay, I thought it would get. Oh, that's downloads right there. See if we could download the any drivers to update the camera. See if we have something. Yeah, I do. And it's for Mac. Okay, let me download that. Update the camera. Yeah, okay, I don't need that no more. Let's close that back up. Anyway, so yeah, this look awesome. This look shit. You see my shoes in the corner. My hamper. My hamper is full. I need to do some laundry. Of course, my desk stays junky. But again, shit. I can't hide nothing from y'all, man. What the fuck? Anyway, yeah. This is my Logitech Brio camera. Oh my god, this is so awesome. That's it. The video, the unboxing, the show off, review, whatever. Oh my god. Now I got to take this out of my Mac, put it on my PC. That's right beside me. See how I look on there. All right, so hit that like button if you like the social media links. Will be down in the description box below. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button and also click that bell. See some more videos from me. You'll be notified if I post something. Anyway.